Hi guys, it's Rachel G, and this hairstyle is going to be a second day hairstyle. So I did this hairstyle yesterday, and I was in it all day yesterday. I slept in it all night. Um, I went to the gym this morning. I cleaned up my house. I took a shower. So it is a lived-in hairstyle, and I didn't put any product in my hair yesterday, so it'll just be easy for me just to take it down and just restyle it again. The good thing about this hairstyle is that it just gives you so much volume because theoretically your hair is, it could have just been in rollers because you rolled your hair into this hairstyle. So theoretically you should have a lot of volume. I definitely don't wash my hair every day. So you need second day hairstyles and third day hairstyles. Usually by the fourth day, that's when I would wash my hair. And that's when I would like do a protective hairstyle with like oils in my hair. Um, and then I would wash it that day. So you just kind of like have like a cycle. There's a lot of bobby pins. I think I got most of it from the back. So my hair is really frizzy in general, but if your hair wasn't frizzy and if you just take it out and it's like in curls, then you could just easily just spray it and leave it down for the day. This is what I mean. Isn't this cute? Like you could just technically just spray it and put like a little hair thing in it and just like be done, right? All right. So, I gotta take off my rings because I always forget. All right. I'm just gonna loosen the curls a little bit. And I have no idea what to do with it. I don't really quite plan exactly what I'm gonna do with my hair. I just kind of go with it. I think. You like it? My husband's sitting like right across from me today. And I'm just gonna pin this down. Kind of like however you want to style it. Okay. And if you don't break up the curls as much, it's gonna be curlier. So it's kind of like up to you however you want to do it. Just gonna take this and I'm just gonna put it up like so. Just take this too. 2, 3. You could easily just leave your hair down, right? Easily. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take a clip. I'm gonna go behind and I'm gonna take this, flip it up. And put this down. And that's all I'm going to do for the back. Because I just think that that's it. And then I'm going to kind of just, you see all this volume that I have in the front now? It's going to, take my gel. Ooh, and just, I always get frizzies. Take it, take my frizzies down, just like that. And then I'm going to take some bobby pins and just pin this down into like a big messy bun. So turn around. And more. So it's like this big messy bun in the front, and you have like a really nice poof. And this poof, I didn't comb through it, which is why there's so much volume here. It's like, goodness, almost 2 inches, maybe like 1.5 inches of just like a nice big poof. But yeah, this is my hair for today. And I hope you have like a really, really blessed day. Thank you guys for all of your comments and support. And if no one told you that you're beautiful today, especially if you didn't tell yourself that you're beautiful today, then I'm telling you that you're beautiful today. We're reading. Honey, what's that book we're reading?
Purpose-Driven Life by Rick Warren.
Purpose-Driven Life by Rick Warren. In like day 2 of the book, he talks about how you were formed in your mother's womb. Like he goes into like all the biblical scriptures, and then he talks about that God knows the number of hair on your head, and just like all these really uplifting, encouraging quotes to really appreciate yourself. Okay, so hopefully I'll make a video on that and like a little encouragement video. But until then, you guys have a beautiful, blessed day, and I hope you really like my second day hair look. Less than 10 minutes. Bye, guys.